Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo's Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Thursday. So today we're going to be as quick as possible. I need to go somewhere. But before we go, guys, before we go on that, yesterday we did smash some of the market. This is AUD USD. We had a very nice sell in the group. And for those who wants to join the team, guys, remember, you actually have the power in your hands to choose your own your own amount. Remember, 6 months it was $50. I said now you can just choose whatever the amount that you want to pay. 12 months you can choose the whatever the amount that you want to pay. So this is freedom. But I said before, I think I said it's going to last for a month, but I think that is too much. So we're going to end this choosing thing this Sunday. So for those who wants to join the team and you know how much you have and maybe you've been waiting for this type of stuff, yeah, you can just let me know. You can scan this QR code or maybe just WhatsApp me or just check the link in description. You can just talk to me. So this is quite straightforward. If maybe, like, for example, if you have $20, you can say, Kenzo, I have $20 and I want to join this. I have $40, I want $50. But just make it fair. You can't just come here and say, Kenzo, I have $2. So that is not going to be fair. I'm just trying to make sure that people, they can get in the group without charging them. You charge yourself, actually. So anyways, let's go straight to our analysis. So I will just try to make it as quick as possible. Yeah, on DXY, sorry, not DXY, on AUD USD, we did have a very nice trade yesterday. So the market was around this resistance, and if you check, the market respected this level several times. So for us, this was sort of a straightforward. Yes, the market did reverse here and there, but that's how the market moves. So I'm still expecting the market to continue pushing lower. So yeah, that is is another a signal that we took. This one also, we had something here on USD Canada. Fortunately, before I send the signal, sometimes I take them very early, but they are risky. So yes, this is still valid, guys. If you are in the group, you can still continue with this trade. You can see the market is moving very nice. You can see the structure. It's just pushing up very nice. The uptrend is quite straightforward. So which means we are actually looking forward for the market to continue pushing to the upside. I hope that makes sense, right? So let's go back on our normal analysis, which is actually DXY. What's really happening? You can see, yes, the market was pushing up very nice. We had some breakouts. So what do we see? I see the market breaking out here. We have another sort of a retest. So now the market gave us another push to the lower side. So I'm expecting the market to come back and respect this area. So we might see something like this happening, pushing lower, pushing lower. So yeah, that's what we're going to actually see if the market is still on that bullish, on that stronger sell on DXY. So I'm still bearish on DXY. So which means the dollar is getting weaker. We can see other things are other currency pairs are gaining momentum when the dollar is losing that strength. So GBP we had some very nice push to the upside. We saw that the market was going down. Now we see a nice breakout. So I'm expecting the market to continue like that. So we are still actually on this uptrend. So what we want here is we just want a nice reversal, or if not, we want a nice proper breakout. You can see that on top here, the market already gave us something like a resistance. So which means if the market goes beyond that, we can take a buy because we are on a uptrend. Or maybe the market will create a proper structure and maybe we will have a nice retest. Then we can continue buying like that. I hope you understand that. I hope you see what I'm trying to show you. I'm trying to be as quick as possible, guys. I'm trying to be as quick as possible. So we have this area. We don't know if maybe the market will be breaking or not. So we are on GBP USD. The market was on a very nice downtrend. Remember, I do these things every day. I do this analysis every day. So if maybe you feel like I'm way too fast, you can go and check yesterday's analysis. It's still, there's nothing much changed there. So there is nothing much change, only this reversal. So after the breakout, we saw the market pushing up aggressively. So we saw saw the market fly in that time of CPI. So it seems like the market is back to give us a nice retest. I don't know if maybe the market will respect that area, or maybe the market will even go lower. We have another one here, but I think the market will respect this point. But now it's still very early to respect this point, pushing to the upside. But let's not really jump on the market. I think if the market is going to bounce here, we're going to see some sort of rejection around here, so we can take our buy with confidence. Simple as that. But just know that we are on an uptrend. That's why we are looking for buy positions. Euro USD also doing quite similar things. It was on a downtrend before. Now it's going up. So what we can see here is, or what we can get, I'm just expecting maybe to see a very nice retest before we take another buy. If you missed it here, obviously you just have to wait, or maybe the market will come back and break that. But I think the market is doing a very nice structure. We might see the market reaching this area, then we can jump with it. The most important thing is we are actually on an uptrend. We are on an uptrend, and we are looking for buy positions only. Buy positions only. We don't mix. We don't mix. We don't mix. We don't mix. So let's see what's really happening on gold. We smashed gold also yesterday. If you still remember, we had this support area for quite some time. The market broke out here. We had this type of a move where we got lost. We thought maybe the market was going to go lower. Hey, the market reversed very quick. So what happened is, yesterday I sent that signal there. So we had a very nice reversal. The market pushed even lower, so we had a pending order. So I had one of my brothers said, I'm still holding gold. It actually is eating. This is 4 hours time frame. 4 hours time frame. Don't forget. So obviously is smashing the market. So obviously the market is going in his favor. But we can see that this was the area, previous area, where the market was respecting, and for the market to push like that, it gives us a very nice idea that the market might end up pushing to the upside. Our highest area is very far. Maybe the market will reach that, we don't know, but along the way we expect some rejections until the market push to the upside. But this is not really as good structures as the other ones, because the trend is not really that clear. The trend is not really that clear. So US30 has been playing games. I think it's going to push up again. So what we had here, we had a buy pending order. So what's really happening is, the market was previously, you saw that it was on a downtrend. Now since we had that breakout, we had a breakout. So now I think we have to have this sort of a resistance there. Above that area, obviously, one way or another, we need to have a buy. Unless if maybe the market will reject, or just to give us maybe a sort of a retest. But if that doesn't really happen, obviously we're going to consider this resistance. And above that area, we're going to look for another buy, as we are actually creating a new structure. But be careful. Be careful. This market, sometimes they will seem like they're gonna fly forever, but we might get a very aggressive reversal very quick. So be careful with that. Remember, it's Thursday, so which means we are going to have unemployment claims around 3:30. So that might change the way we see the market now. So now we are actually on Nasdaq. Before I continue, guys, remember you have power in your hands. Actually, that means you can just choose the amount that you want to pay only until this Sunday. It was supposed to be until month end, but that's too much. So if maybe you have any amount, you can say, Kenzo, I have $60 or $50, whatever the amount that you have, and then you can join the team. If it's 12 months, you can say whatever the amount that you have, you can join the team. Lifetime, whatever the amount that you have, you just choose for yourself. No one is choosing that for you. You see, so try me. You can just WhatsApp me, or scan that and talk to me. Then you can be part of the team, and we can start eating. So you can get that. So after Sunday, we're going back on our normal price. Then you're not going to choose for yourself. I hope that makes sense. I think, yeah, you can actually get that anyway, where you just choose for yourself. I'm not saying pay this, you just choose whatever that you want to pay. So anyways, let's go straight to Nasdaq. On Nasdaq, guys, on Nasdaq, let's see. The market was pushing up very nice. We did smash that. I think it's yesterday or day before that. It's Tuesday when we had CPI. Sorry, so we had something like that. The market broke out of our structures. Let me just maybe use daily time frame. Maybe you will see. So you will see that the market is doing what? The market broke out. Very nice. Very, very, very nice, actually. So after that, we saw that the market was struggling to break this area because we had a sort of a resistance. But above that, we just jumped on that, and now the market is giving us a rejection. Even if maybe we don't really go back and check that, you can see that it's quite the same area or the same level, but the market already gave us something, even if you don't really look at your left hand side, because this area is way too far. So which means that it's actually a potential resistance. We're going to mark that area, and if the market is going to go above that, we're going to do what? We're going to take our that trade. Or sorry, what I see is the market might give us this type of a move, this structure, something like that, before maybe we see a nice push. That's what I'm expecting. I think the market won't just break this easily. If it does, obviously we have this resistance, we can buy above that area, but expect some sort of rejections before we see a very nice push. Anyways, thank you very much. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, and for those who want to be part of the team, let me know. You have the power in your hands. You can just choose for yourself. Remember, the prices that are here, you can just choose whatever that you want. You can just choose to pay $30, $50, whatever the amount that you want to pay. So let me know. This will end this Sunday. On Monday, Tuesday, please, guys, don't come back to me and say, oh, Kenzo 1, 2, 3, because we're dealing with so many people and so many things. So I'm not going to allow that. That is just a chance for those who are willing to join. Anyways, thank you very much. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. See you on the next one. Actually, tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Bye.